All right, welcome back. This is day number 106. Today, didn't trade a funded account because my targets have been hit. So decided to jump on the challenge account that I just bought and decided to just risk it in one trade and see how it went. Because I don't want to spend a lot of time. I've been through this. I don't want to spend a lot of time just trading the challenge. I just want to have it, pass it, or lose it, and then just let it sit there in case I just lose one of the accounts or I withdraw some money and then I exceed that threshold limit. That said, let's dive into today's game plan and what I did and what I didn't do. So started off by waiting for the first 15 minutes to close. While I was waiting, I checked Forex Factory and there was news at 3 p.m. So there was Jolt's opening. And just decided to wait for that, which is this candle right here. But at this point, look at how we moved. We moved a lot. This is now 3 p.m. 3 p.m. basically has no wick. This is still bullish right here. We're just consolidating. I still believe we go higher. Although 4 hour has no wick and the 1 hour has no wick, that doesn't mean it can stay like that, basically. So there's a likelihood that we go and make the wick, but I still believe we go higher. So given that, I was watching the 1 minute, and if I would have been aggressive, so I was waiting for price to go into this 5-minute fair value gap at least before doing that. And I considered putting orders here with the stop below here, and my target would have been the daily open, which is about 2.1 R. But since there was news, and this is the news scandal right here, since there was news, I just didn't feel confident enough to just put it, because in the past I've been, slipped and actually lost more than I wanted to because of news. So I just decided to be wary and just wait for 3 p.m. And so decided to wait. At that point, 3 p.m. comes, we open, we shoot up. And I'm here thinking, okay, I want to see retracement into some sort of like 5-minute PD array, which we ended up having here. But at this point, I was not confident. So decided to jump onto the challenge and just do that. So first of all, I've put a trade here with a stop here. And I think I just aimed for like 2R. And this would have been a banger because this would have been now in profit. But this is where I make my first mistake. After I saw this candle right here and this one right here, so I entered here, ended up getting filled here, which is the touch on the 5-minute order block. After I saw this here, I was just waiting. I wanted to see this candle to close here above this, and didn't get the close, so I decided to exit. That was a break even. So challenge is break even. What I did next was I entered here. So entered here, stop was there, actually a bit higher because of the daily drawdown. And again, I was targeting like 2R. So ended up entering there, and you can see like takes me out and now goes into profit literally. So entered, sorry about that. Entered here, takes me out, then goes to profit, and I, just basically lost the challenge. But not really worry about it because my main focus is the funded account. Just decided to trade it because, I had time, while all of this was playing out, I had time, to go on, buy the challenge, log in onto the account, so on and so forth. And I don't really care about losing that challenge money. So that's it for day number 106, I think, or 107. Ended up not passing. I'm trying my funded futures because they allow for, you can make less profit on the account and withdraw earlier than Apex. So this was a my funded futures challenge, the basic one. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we get an actual entry.